The outgoing House of Assembly Speaker and House of Representative member, Honorable Onobun, wey dey represent Eastern Central, Eastern West and Igweben Federal Constituency for Edo State, don do Thanksgiving, Praise and Worship Night on Thursday, 15 June 2023 for Legislators' Quarters for Ihama Road, GRA, Benin City. The Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Shaibu, and other Ogboge honorables stand up for the Thanksgiving, Praise and Worship Night. Oga Shaibu for talk say in thank God for the successful tenure of the 7th Assembly and saying they proud of Marcus and say Marcus na a political son when he don't trade for politics and come pray for Marcus make him do past wetin he don't do for politics.
I'm particularly delighted and happy because when politicians say who is their product, I can hit my chest and say Honorable Marcus is one of my own products. And because I saw it all with him from the beginning. And by the grace of God, he will continue to grow from strength to strength and glory to glory. As a senior brother, and my prayer is that what I have achieved, he will achieve greater ones. That is the prayer of a good father, right? We are celebrating today. I'm particularly delighted with my younger brother for what he has achieved. And it takes the grace of God for us to be able to meander this murky water of politics. But what is consistent, you must be known with something. No matter what, Edo has moved forward. My charge for the incoming members is that, please remember your constituency in everything that you do. Everything that you do, your constituency must come first.
Honorable Marcus Onobun thanked the clerk and members of House of Assembly for their support and for the successful ending of the 7th Assembly, and also to raise salute give the Governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, for his support. A constant talk say him represent Eastern West, Eastern Central and Igweben Federal Constituency to help bring Ogboge development to him people and not to come play politics.
I came to the conclusion to say we must praise God, because it was a rough start and a rough takeoff. Today, I am happy to see the members of the 8th Assembly getting prepared for their inauguration. We didn't have the privilege of having us that way, because there were certain persons and personalities who thought that we must go back to Egypt. But God stood for us. God stood with us. In spite of the smaller number, we were able to put our personal interest aside and pursue the collective interests of Edo people. Today, I am glad and happy to say that it has ended in praise.
Reverend Dr. Nusa Igbinujesu talk say no matter what you face for life, you must thank God.
Be motivated to thank God. Praise the Lord. If you are not thankful to praise God, God will fold his hand and leave you and let you be on your own. But if you are thankful to give him praise, whether in the day, whether in the night, anytime, any day, you are inviting his presence to take over your battle.
From Benin City, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.